All right, boys and girls, welcome to Goring Guitar. I'm sitting here in south of France, enjoying the perfect weather, recording some stuff for you guys on Goring Guitar. And I just want to mention and pardon the quality maybe on these tutorials down here. I'm not carrying the same gear as I use in my standard studio. So a little bit different gear, maybe not as good as the one I usually use. And yes, it is what it is. We're going live, and that is the most important thing here. And speaking of gear, I actually have one of my better friends lately with me. This backpack here from Groove Gear, what a lifesaver this is when it comes to these situations. Pockets everywhere. I can fit all my tech I need. Maybe not my guitar here, but I have solutions for that as well. The capsule from Groove Gear, check that one out. And yeah, what a wonderful backpack this is, and it looks good, very sturdy, great quality in every way. So I just love this one. Check that one out. Now over to the tutorial here. I want to teach you how to play Mariah the Scientist and Kelly Uchis Is There Crime? I don't think so. Let's go into it. Not your typical guitar song, I'm aware of that, but it's so cool to play, a little bit addictive actually. So let's go into this one. K-pop on first, that is the best scenario for us. We have a couple of chords to learn, and we're gonna start with A minor first. So A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is the G. So that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have C next, and that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, open E. We have a bar chord, that's the F. You place the index finger on the first fret to push down all strings there, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. And finally, we have the D minor. And that will be open D, second G, third B, first E, and that's it, guys. So 5 chords, they're rolled in the same way through the entire song. And let's start. So we're gonna play one down on the first 3 chords, or actually 2 chords. A minor, G, and then you play 2 downs on the C. So that's the start. So A minor, G, C, C. And then you play a strumming pattern for the last 2 chords, and it sounds like this for F. So it's 1 down first, a pause, and then comes down, clap, down. You play that for 2 rounds on F, so. And then you play 1 round for D minor. And then you start all over again. So A minor, G, C, C, F, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down, and D minor, down, clap, down. So A minor, G, C, C, F, and D minor. Alright guys, so I took out a little bit from that strumming pattern, and that is what you can do as well. This is my take on how to handle this song. As I said, this is not a fixed playing here, because it's not a guitar song, so it's up to you to create your own playing here. But this is my take on how to handle Mariah the Scientist, Kelly Uchis Is There Crime. Hope you enjoy this, guys. Hope to see you soon. Until next time, play tuned.